Hello viewers, welcome back to Insurance for You and Me. We will now commence discussions on specific insurance products suitable for retail customers one by one. The first such product to be discussed now is fire and other perils insurance for residential houses, the product which is known as Bharat Griha Raksha. Considering the magnitude of losses one can suffer, the insurance of residential building and contents against fire and other perils is a highly recommended product. A lot of our lifetime savings is spent on owning a residential flat, and hence protecting this is very important. Bharat Griha Raksha is the insurance product to meet this need. This is one of the standard products introduced as per the guidelines issued by the Indian insurance regulator IRDA and is mandatorily available with all general insurers in India. While there were many different fire insurance products available with different insurers for covering residences against fire, all those products are replaced with Bharat Griha Raksha product since last year. This standard Bharat Griha Raksha product offers common covers and common policy conditions across all insurers. The only difference between the insurance companies being in the premium rates charged by them. So, Bharat Griha Raksha policy purchased from insurer A or insurer B or insurer C in the market will all provide the same standard covers. The differentiator between insurers for this product remains the price being charged and the service levels being provided. It is essential that you, as a customer, understand the important product features before you buy the product so that you clearly know what is the protection you are getting in case of any claim under the product. Ill-informed buying of insurance products need to be avoided. How to understand the insurance product? One way of understanding is depending on the inputs from the advisors or agents, but there is the danger of selective information transfer to customer based on the agent's understanding of the product. A better way to understand any insurance product is to read the policy wordings or prospectus. Contrary to popular belief, the wordings of the policy is easy to understand. If there are any portions found difficult, we can always raise the specific query with our advisor or with the insurance company directly and understand that portion. Spending time in understanding the policy wordings is time worth spending, and I would suggest each one of you to do it. While reading the policy wordings, our focus should be to understand the following. What are the perils or insured events covered inbuilt? What other additional perils can be opted for cover? What are the major exclusions? What are the subject matters that are insurable? What is the precise meaning attributed to the subject matter? How to arrive at the insurance value that is sum insured? What are the implications of wrong sum insured? What are the obligations and rights of the customers under the policy to ensure smooth claim settlement? We have already discussed the meaning of the terms peril and subject matter, etc. Hence, they are not repeated here. Please refer to episode 2 for a recap. The product literature like policy wordings, prospectus, etc. are available in the websites of respective insurers. If unable to access, please ask your advisor or the customer care of your insurer to provide the prospectus wordings. We will now understand what are the included covers and exclusions under this product, that is Bharat Griha Raksha policy, BGR. Bharat Griha Raksha policy, though commonly understood to cover fire losses, provides cover against many other perils also. The list of perils covered or the insured events covered are shown in the slide. Major ones are fire, explosion and implosion, lightning, impact damage by external physical object, earthquake, storm, flood, inundation, riot, strike, malicious damage, terrorism, theft, etc. The detailed list is on the screen. Here, I would like to highlight a few points for your special attention. The cover provided under the policy is for physical loss or damage or destruction caused to the insured property at insured location by these insured perils. The physical loss is a basic requirement for a claim under the policy, and one has to be very careful to ensure that correct property description and correct location is mentioned in the proposal form while seeking insurance. The second aspect is the theft cover provided as inbuilt cover under the Bharat Griha Raksha product is only for theft loss within 7 days from the occurrence of and approximately caused by any of the insured events. In other words, theft cover is valid only if the same is preceded by any of the insured events like fire, flood, etc. A standalone theft incident in the normal course is not covered under this policy. So, this cover is not a replacement for any theft insurance for the property. Some of the perils covered in the policy also come with specific exclusion within the covered peril. For example, a physical damage caused by fire is covered in the policy, whereas the physical damage caused by burning of insured property by order of government authority is not covered. Similarly, while subsidence of land is covered, damage caused by settlement or movement of made up ground is not covered. So please go through this list in the policy wordings carefully to know all such cover limitations. I have shown the same in the slide for ready reference. The basic cover provided under the policy is for home building and home contents if loss or damage happens due to insured events. If there is any claim payable due to the insured event for home building cover, there are certain additional coverages which are payable, like a reasonable fee for architects, surveyors, and consulting engineers up to 5% of claim amount, a reasonable cost of debris removal from the site up to 2% of claim amount. If the insurer is owner and the house is not fit for living due to damages caused by insured event, a loss of rent for the period till the house is repaired is covered under loss of rent cover. If the insured is a tenant and the house is not fit for living due to damages caused by insured events, insured may need to move to an alternate accommodation with higher rent. The additional rent incurred for alternate accommodation is covered under the policy. So this cover is available for a maximum period of 3 years. So these are some of the inbuilt covers in the policy. The next one is on the optional covers. Under optional covers, the policy provides a choice to the insured to cover personal accident for the insured and spouse, and if opted, provides death benefit of rupees 5 lakhs. However, this cover is only in respect of death caused by the insured peril that causes damage to the insured property. Again, if we should not consider this as a substitute for regular personal accident policy, as the cover is available only on occurrence of insured peril under Bharat Griha Raksha policy, like fire, flood, etc. If the insured has opted for personal accident cover under this policy, that is the BGR, and also has a separate standalone personal accident policy, insured is eligible for benefit under both the policies if the cause of death is an insured peril under Bharat Griha Raksha, like fire, flood, earthquake, etc. There are many additional covers which can be included in the policy as add-on covers. While these are also approved by the regulator, they are not part of standardized policy wordings prescribed by the regulator. Hence, the covers can vary from company to company. Some examples of such covers available are accidental damages cover, expenses for shifting to alternate accommodation, emergency expenses, third-party liability cover, tenant liability cover, claim preparation cost, etc. These covers can be included in the Bharat Griha Raksha policy if the customer opts for it and pays additional premium. Generally, the additional cover provided by these add-ons are not of major severity when compared to the policy sum insured. Like any other insurance product, Bharat Griha Raksha also has certain exclusions. The policies like Bharat Griha Raksha are known as named peril policies, where the cover under the policy is against listed perils. Any other circumstances which is not part of the listed insured event or insured peril stands automatically excluded. Some of these circumstances are specifically shown as exclusions in the policy, and few such exclusions are listed on the screen for your ready reference. The next important aspect to study is on the subject matter for the policy. The subject matter for the Bharat Griha Raksha policy is home building and its contents. What is meant by home building? What is meant by home contents? What is covered under home contents? What is not included under home contents? These are important questions we should understand. These and other aspects about Bharat Griha Raksha policy will be discussed in our next episode. In the meantime, please view, subscribe, like, and share the videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Until then, bye from Bhaskar.